Hey guys, it is Thursday. It's like already 10. It's about to be like it's already time for me to go to bed. I didn't get to record anything today. I'm gonna tell you why, and I'm falling asleep as I tell you. Basically, I got out at 3. I went to go pick up the nerd. From there, we came home. I edited yesterday's video, or today's video, you know what I mean. And then from there, it was like around 6 when I left. Yeah, 6 o'clock, I went to go run. I did about 3 miles. I had to come home because my left leg started hurting me like crazy. Like the back of my knee, like, was ridiculous. Like it was just really, really painful. So I came home and started watching the X Factor, which, by the way, Drew left and Astro left. So just anyone who watches it. But after that ended, like, I knocked out, like, hardcore. I guess I was just so tired that I just couldn't stay awake. So I just woke up right now, showered, and now I'm here talking to you guys. But that's basically what happened today, and that's why there's no footage. But keeping up with the daily vlogs, I'm still putting something up here for you guys. Let me know how you're doing under the comments. Just to let you know, I'm now at 224. Literally, I have like... Well, my goal is to be out of the 200s by... Out of the 200s by Christmas. So technically that's like a pound a day. I feel like I can do it. One of my friends, she's like, you should wait until the 30th. So we'll see. My goal in my mind, like, I really want to do it by Christmas. So we'll see what happens at that day. But if you guys are on a fitness journey, let me know how you guys are doing with it. I just wanted to say thank you for watching the show. And I will keep vlogging as long as I'm awake. Alright, so I'm going to go to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, payday, so it'll be a good day. Alright, love you guys. Bye.